Hi, welcome to 30 Demos in 60 Minutes. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how you hear things. This lovely looking item kind of looks like a flaming pickle. That's what my students say it looks like. What it is it's actually a hair cell that's inside the cochlea of your ear. And you have millions and millions of these. This green part, the pickle part, this is the cell body, this is inside of the cell membrane. And then the flame, that's actually the hair part, and there are 10,000 of these little hairs will fit on the tip of a pencil. So they're much, much, much smaller than the actual hairs that you're familiar with. But we call it a hair cell because it looks kind of like hairs. So here is a blow up of the flame part. So this represents just the flame part. You can kind of see this dark outline. That is the top of the hair cell. And so when you hear sounds, these little guys vibrate. And when they vibrate, then it tells your brain, hey, I noticed something, I'm hearing a sound. And so once you hear, if you hear too many loud sounds and your hair cells get damaged, they end up looking like this. And so you can see some of them are broken off, some of them are bent. And unfortunately, since they're nerve cells, they don't regenerate unless you're a fish or a frog, in which case they do, but I'm pretty sure you're not. So unfortunately, once we damage these, we can't regenerate them. And so today, the demo I want to show you is a model of the hair cells. And so these are just pipe cleaners or fuzzy sticks, whatever you want to call them. You can get them pretty much anywhere. Your local big box store, you can order them from a school supply place. I like to get white ones because when I get colored ones, sometimes students think that's the color of the hair cells in their ear. And the hair cells in our ear are some kind of neutral flesh color. They're not red or green or blue. So today we're going to make a model. So your fist, hold out your right hand and make a fist. Your fist is the pickle part. And then you're going to put the pipe cleaners in your fist, and this is your hair cell. And so I'll tell you a story. So hopefully you have a nice local place that you can watch fireworks. We have what's called the Greeley Independent Stampede, and we have the best fireworks. And so your friend was able to get front row tickets to the Stampede for the fireworks. And so you're going to be sitting right under the fireworks, and you get to watch the fireworks show, and you are so excited. But you and your roommates, you've all got tickets, but you need to mow the lawn first. You've got to mow the lawn before you get to go. So you're sitting around talking about who is going to mow the lawn. So you're talking, nice, normal conversational voice. The vibrations are making your hair cells vibrate. And so you can hear the sounds of your friends as you talk about and play rock, paper, scissors over who has to mow the lawn. And you draw the short end of the stick, and you get to mow the lawn. So you go out and you're going to mow the lawn. So a question for you guys, is a lawnmower a safe sound? Is it too loud or is it okay? Well, now we're back, and you guessed on whether a lawnmower is a safe sound or not. Turns out it all depends on the size of your lawn. A lawnmower, a typical push lawnmower, is safe for about 2 hours, and then after that it's not. So that's why when you see the guys who do it for a living, they're wearing hearing protection, because a lawnmower is just, it'll start to permanently damage your hearing if you do it all day. So you can use that as an excuse if you don't want to mow a giant lawn. I gotta protect my ears. I can watch, it's safe. All right, so we're mowing the lawn. So get the lawnmower going. You're mowing the lawn. All right, done. Lawn is mowed. Now I can go to the Stampede and I can watch the fireworks. So you go to the fireworks, you're sitting there in anticipation, waiting for the fireworks, and then here come the fireworks, and they are loud. So boom, bang. It's just beautiful, but boy, is it loud. Bang, all right. Fireworks are done. Now, I want you to see if you can straighten out your hair cells. See if you can fix these guys. So try to fix your pipe cleaners. Get them straightened out as best you can. And it's just not going to happen. So once you've bent your pipe cleaners, they're pretty much bent. And this is exactly what happens with your hair cells in your ear. Once they're bent or broken or damaged, unfortunately, we can't heal them or repair them the way we can if we get a cut on our skin because they're nerve cells. And so this demo is a really nice demo to use with kids. Dangerous Decibels has shown this actually causes behavior change with tweens, so kids from 8 to 12. It'll actually change how loud they listen to their music, and they'll start to be more careful about their ears. Thank you, and have fun.